Whether it's a cold, a sudden allergy, or a reaction to some distinct smell, sneezing is just unavoidable. It can happen anytime and anywhere. While sneezes and sniffles are the body's natural way to flush out irritants and infectious germs, you can always rely on natural remedies to fight such infections away. Try these easy home remedies to get rid of sneezing. First comes zinc. If you want to recover faster, we suggest you load upon zinc supplements, which are loaded with excellent immunity boosting agents. Legumes, nuts, and seeds, all easily available in your kitchen, are loaded with zinc benefits. Secondly comes black cardamom. Black cardamom is another common ingredient which can prevent your sneezes right away. The strong aroma present in it, along with the essential oil, repairs the flow and flush out irritants. Simply chewing on the spice can help you get rid of the allergy. Thirdly comes Amla. Amla has been widely used and recommended to be consumed on a regular basis. It not just boosts immunity, but also the strong antioxidants in it clears up the nasal pathways. You can have it either raw or take out the juice, which can be drunk up to 3 times a day. Fourthly comes ginger and Tulsi. Ginger and Tulsi together make a very powerful combination which fights away cold, cough and sudden allergies in a quick while. Boil 3 to 4 Tulsi leaves with a small piece of ginger in some water for effective results. Now comes garlic. Garlic, though pungent, makes for an essential flavoring agent in dishes and also fights back annoying allergies. It contains a special active ingredient called allicin, which acts as a nasal decongestant, boosting your immunity at the same time. Chew on some pods of garlic or lightly fry them in ghee to get the best results. Now comes protecting yourself from environmental hazards. People in some occupations are more likely to encounter airborne irritants. Inhalable dust is common at many job sites and can be extremely irritating to the nose and sinuses. Reducing the amount of dust exposure by preventing it from being formed or by using a ventilation system to remove dust particles are other ways you can prevent breathing in harmful dust particles. Lastly comes citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, grapefruit, and so on contain certain plant chemicals called flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants that help in building the immune system of the body. They help one fight against unwanted bacteria causing cold and other allergies. Thus, these fruits must be consumed every day in order to remain healthy.